back to my channel. I just wanted to let y'all know about a really quick meal idea that would be great for add to your weekly rotation of meals. It's chicken breast fried on brioche buns, and then I put some fries on the side, and I'm going to add a couple of onion rings as well. And you can also use this sauce. I found it at Walmart. To put on it if you like. And here is the box of chicken breasts. They do come with like a little gravy packet, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use them this way. And the brioche buns are the ones that you get at Walmart like this. So these little fancy buns, you can use these. They're already split and everything. And then we're going to put those in that. You can use hamburger buns, but these are like the perfect size. And that's it. It's just a real quick meal. I did have to actually put them in the oven instead of air frying because it just was taking way too long. And I needed them to cook more thoroughly. This is a really great idea, and it's really quick. Should take under 20 minutes to make everything. I air fried the fries and the onion rings though, just not the chicken patty. And it'd be a quick dinner, especially if you go to church on Wednesday night. This would also be something quick that you could serve. Today, I was just going to show you a real simple meal. Doesn't cost much, and it's filling. It's going to be a BLT. No really recipe for this. You know, everybody knows what they like and what they don't. We're going to put it on wheat sandwich bread that we toasted, but you can do any bread. It doesn't matter. It's whatever your preference is. I did want to share a tip. I do cook my bacon in the oven, so I can do 2 or 3 pounds pretty quickly. That's 2 pounds worth of bacon that I've cooked for today, and we're going to put it on these sandwiches, and that's all I do. I just do my typical, you know, BLT. We have some people that like crisp bacon and some people that don't. So I cook it accordingly and top it with a tomato, salt and pepper, and that's it. We can put fries with it, we can put mac and cheese with it, we can put chips with it, or we can serve it all by itself. Perfect little sandwich. I wanted to show you a real quick dinner idea. I call these chicken littles, and you're supposed to take a small biscuit. You could probably do Hawaiian rolls too, but I took these small biscuits from Walmart and I cooked them and I split them open, and we're gonna make little chicken sandwiches out of them. So you take a chicken nugget, you cook it up, and just put this on here. And if you want like mayo or something like that, you can put that on there, but I top them with a dill chip, little dill pickle, and serve them right up. They're little tiny chicken bite sandwiches. Perfect for little hands and a quick dinner, snack, or lunch. And we're just going to pair this with some mac and cheese. We've already got cooked. You can do chips or fries or anything like that. And that will be dinner tonight. See y'all next time.